This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable camera access on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable camera access, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permission section, and in the Permission section, Camera. You want to click on Settings off to the right side of Camera. And in the little dialog box that opens up here, down towards the bottom, it has an option to block new requests asking to access your camera. If this box is checked, you are blocking access to your camera. If it is not checked, websites can ask for permission to use your camera. Then all you would do is go down and click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable camera access in the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.